Can someone help me figure this out? I'm Carlo, 28M. Ever since bata pa ako, I've always known I was the pampalipas oras child. My kuya was the golden boy, smart, top honors, varsity. Ako, laging sinasabihan ng, buti pa si kuya, but I never complained. I thought it was normal. I studied hard, worked part-time, and eventually landed a good job abroad. Akala ko, that would make them proud. But no, the moment I started sending remittances, they treated me like an ATM. Mama would message me, anak, magpapakasal na si kuya, ikaw na bahala sa gastos. No please, no thank you. Obligado ako. One time, I asked, Ma, wala ba akong choice? And she said, utang na loob mo yan, pinalaki ka namin. That line hit me so hard. Parang ang worth ko lang pala ay sukli sa pagpapalaki nila sa akin. I tried to set boundaries. I told them I'll help when I can, but I also need to save for myself. Guess what happened? Family reunion, everyone was cold to me. Mama was crying in front of relatives, saying I forgot where I came from. Suddenly, I was the masamang anak. The same people who ignored me growing up, now guilt-tripping me because I refused to be their milking cow. It got worse when Kuya bought a house. They congratulated him, but behind my back, they told people it was my money. They twisted it like I owed them that success. One night, Mama called me, crying again. She said Papa was sick and needed money for treatment. I sent everything I had left. A week later, I found out through a cousin that Papa was fine, the money was used to pay for Kuya's business loan. I confronted Mama. She didn't even deny it. She just said, bakit, hindi mo ba kami pamilya? That's when I realized, in this family, love is a transaction. You're only as good as what you can give. I haven't spoken to them in months. I feel guilty, but I also feel free. Is that wrong? Please like, follow, and subscribe if you want videos like this.